Hey, this drone pilot Jared coming back at you once again from the car. Anyways, I want to first start off by thanking all of the doctors, the nurses, the grocery workers, police officers, firefighters, and all those who are on the front line. Today, I just want to leave y'all with a couple of tips that can help you stay protected in these days that we're in right now. And one of my tips are to wash your hands. Make sure that you wash your hands. Another tip is to, take your vitamins so that you can stay healthy. Try and eat right. And then finally, if you see somebody that needs help, then try and give them some help. That's my tips of the day, and I'm hoping to see you guys throughout the year, because we're not going to stop. We're going to keep flying. I'll talk to you guys later. On to the next mission. Peace. Hey, one more thing, fam. If you want to help support Another Level Productions Inc., make sure you visit the website at www.anotherlevelproductionsinc.com. You can also help the algorithm here on YouTube, Facebook, and all the other platforms that I am on by sharing and liking the video. Protect yourself, and I'm really out because I'm home now. On to the next mission. Peace.
Won't you come here, darling? You don't have to worry, 'cause I got you, yeah. Take off all your crew. Won't you take off all your crew? I'll be good to you. Come inside me, I promise you. Baby, let's get closer. But won't you come here, darling? Darling.